Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure GoDaddy domain settings step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the GoDaddy homepage. Log into your GoDaddy account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Domains tab in the main menu. Click on the Domains tab to view a list of your registered domains. Select the domain you wish to configure from the list. This will take you to the domain settings page. Here, you will find various options related to your domain. To adjust DNS settings, scroll down and click on the Manage DNS button. In the DNS Management panel, you will see your existing DNS records. To add a new record, click on the Add button. Choose the type of record you want to create, such as a name or TXT. Fill in the required information for the chosen record type. For an A record, enter the host, points to, and TTL values. For a name record, specify the host and points to fields. After entering the details, click Save to apply the changes. To modify an existing record, locate the record in the list and click the pencil icon next to it. Make the necessary changes and then click Save again. If you need to delete a record, click the trash bin icon next to that record. Confirm the deletion when prompted. After making all your changes, allow up to 48 hours for DNS propagation. Return to the domain settings page to review your adjustments. Your domain is now configured with the new settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.